Been waiting 6 weeks for this steering column bearing. I ordered it from 3 different people, and I finally got it from these guys on eBay. Let's put it together. There's your diagram on the steering column. There's all the parts, and hopefully this lines out. Got about an hour's worth of work left to do on the bike. Literally all simple parts to put on. Boom. Fender, this is your center cover, muffler, heat shields, battery box cover, and then check all the lights and fire this thing up. I'm not sure what decal I want to put. That's your original 1980 decal is red. This is your 2023 Honda decal, which has that green, and I'm kind of leaning towards the green. The 2023 does have that red color on the air box, so that's probably the only red I'm going to leave on the bike. And you can see it's all wired in the headlight, handlebars, got to put the brake together, and that is about it. 1980 Honda Trail 110. There you go.